Good afternoon, everybody. This is Nate over at Bullion RV. Got another video for you on this windy day, but I got a new 2025 Winnebago and I wanted to cover it with everyone who's watching, so let's take a look. So today we have our 2025, that's right, you heard me right, 2025 Winnebago M-Series 2326 MBBH. Everything's gonna pop up in information, all the information on the screen there. But we'll take you around the outside, go over some features, we'll look at the inside, show everything off, and let me know what you think in the comments down below. Make sure to like, comment, subscribe, and help Bullion's channel get up to 20,000 subscribers. Let's get started. So we'll have our power tongue jack here, 20-pound propane tank, spot for your battery, little rock guard here. Here's the side profile, so you do have a slide on this, and this is a bunkhouse too with the double over double bunks. Yep. Capability of solar on the side for your solar briefcase. Now you also do have your Furion camera system here, so if you wanted to add a camera, you can do that on both sides here and link that to the screen in your car. You would have to purchase a screen separately, but show some angles when you're putting on your signals there to kind of park this thing and help get it into your site safely. Large pass-through storage along with our shower hook, or our spray nozzle, excuse me, our freshwater port, power cord, and then we're gonna have our little winch here to get our jacks down. And then look at this spot for the battery disconnect. That's kind of cool. It's easy to see. And you got some storage going back, which leads inside the unit as well. Coming on down. Dual axle, along with our enclosed underbelly, park cable, satellite hookup, 30 amp service, flush, everything right in the open for us here. Get a look at the jacks. Gosh, the wind's pushing me back a little bit. So you do have a spot for your backup camera. Pop in up in the top up there. Lippert ladder, spare tire, hot water heater. Side profile here. So it's a little bit, it's quite windy today. So you do have a large power awning. Coming on over, mini fridge. Oops, other way, that'll help. And then they use this as storage, but you also have your GFCI outlets in here. So I know I'm probably gonna get some hate in the comments. Why isn't there a spot for an outdoor kitchen? But you can put a lot of stuff in here. You can kind of, you know, put whatever you want in there. Storage, anything else, another fridge, a beer fridge, you name it. We got our furnace right here. Cable hookup, and then you have your backer location if you want to put a TV out here. Solar on board, you have a solar panel up top. Let's hop on in. So you got your fire extinguisher there, some outlets, an extension of your sink here and your counter space. So I'm going to kind of go over, so I'm going to start from the back, and you can see it is a smaller unit, and you do have your slide here. It is open all the way. But I'm going to cover from the bunks going back here first. So large bunks. You actually have a grab handle for someone to get, to get down or to kind of hoist yourself up, which I really like that. Exit windows throughout, and then just a little bit of storage down below. Nice sized bathroom. Towel rack, larger shower. Room for stuff on the sink. Nice skylight here. So I'm 6'1", so I'm not even coming close to the skylight, so I got plenty of room in this shower. But since I'm in the shower, we'll take a look at everything here. Stepping on out. Close that. Hooks for your coat, thermostat, more storage. You guessed it, more storage. Freezer and fridge. Got our vent up above us. Convection microwave oven. Two-burner cooktop. Deeper storage drawers down below that with your Winnebago owner's manual. Here's our lead acid detector, intelligent battery detection. Deeper sink. And then the stats, just in case you missed them at the beginning of the video and you didn't want to rewind, feel free to pause for a little bit more information. Hidden outlet right here. And you have your nice Sansui TV on a mount. All of our attachments up above. Then it looks like you also pre-wired for Wi-Fi in here as well. Here's our control panel. Tank heaters on this. And then our light switches. Everywhere I look here, it seems there's always hidden outlets here for, you know, device charging or anything else you need. I put my eyes somewhere and then there's always another outlet that's popping up. Storage underneath the dinette. Like I said, exit windows here, and then there were some in the back of the bunk area here. Lots of room in the dinette. Got the AC above me. And then you can see that the inside storage goes to the outside here as well, so you'll have your solar charge controller, and it looks like that is our, let's see, tire link system. So if you're on the inside and it's pouring rain outside, you don't want to get soaking wet, you can store from here all the way back here, vice versa. Look at that. You can't really see it, but there's another outlet staring me right in the face. Coming on over. I'm gonna guess that there's another outlet in here too. Nope, just the storage. Oh, wait, nope, look at that. Can't really pick it up on the GoPro, but there's another outlet back there staring me in the face. There's just a lot of charging capability in here. Now you're probably asking, well, how do I get to those outlets? Doing this with one hand is gonna be a little difficult, but let's try it out. So you're gonna have your jackknife sofa, which comes down like so. And you have your handle for our bed. Actually, you know, I said it was difficult, but my gosh, that was the easiest thing in the world. So those are the outlets that I was talking about. You have your USB, USB-C, and then your 110s. Coming on over, USB, USB-C, and your 110s. And since we're doing this, let's see if I can put it back up. Oh yeah, it's assisted, it's very easy. So you can see how it looks with that. So I like this setup better. Look at that. Did it with one hand. So if the bed's up like that and you're sitting on the couch and you want to have some friends over, some company, everyone can just relax on the couch here. And then, like I said, the bed behind me is assisted. Very easy to pull down, put back up. But like I said, first 2025, I'm pretty impressed with it. I think this is a very nice camper. So, but that's going to do it for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed. Like I said, it's a brand new 2025. I'm so excited we're getting these on the lot. My name's Nate with Bullion RV. All my information will be in the description box below. If you want to set up an appointment with me, give me a call, send me an email. I'm happy to help answer any questions. Make sure you like, comment, subscribe, help Bullion's channel get to 20,000 subscribers. Thank you everybody for watching. We'll catch you in the next one. Have a great day.